Today is election day and I'm just done with the voting. Me and my friends are going through a waterfall today. So I'm going to leave now. My bike is not fine. I'm going to ride with another friend of mine. So I'm going to keep my bike at this place. No risk. Oil is leaking from the drain vent. So yeah, let's go. So we have now reached Valpoi. My friends are waiting and let's meet. It's Rushi, Aniket, Fati and Kaplesh. They're there. पावरफुल में तुमकी टोल के So we have now reached Satrem. We have to go another half an hour off-roading. So let's go. Rushi Gawas. We have finally reached some waterfall, some water place. This is not the exact spot, but we are going to reach in some time. So yeah, we might settle down here only. Now we can hear the water. It's too bloody exhausting. If you're trying this, you have to come very early. It's 12:30 here, or maybe almost 1. I have not even checked the time. But the place better be worth. The water seems very less, but we have almost reached. I mean, actually, we have reached. There are too many people also for the spot. Okay, anyway, I'll see you later. we are done. We are going back now. This is the hero of our group. Anoop. Anyways, so see you soon. I hope you liked today's video.